Philadelphia, AP, legal advocates are lining up on both sides of actor Bill Cosby's appeal as the Pennsylvania Supreme Court prepares to review his 2018 sex assault conviction. Cosby was the first celebrity to go on trial in the #MeToo era, and his appeal could resolve lingering questions about how the cases should be tried. For starters, the High Court will try to clarify when other accusers can testify against a defendant, and when the additional testimony amounts to character assassination. Public defenders in Philadelphia, in a friend of the court brief filed in Cosby's appeal, noted that courts have given conflicting guidance on the issue. Courts repeatedly fail to analyze how uncharged misconduct is relevant to prove, for example, intent or identity. The Defender Association of Philadelphia wrote in the amicus brief, one of several filed in the case this past month. They say the testimony should only be allowed if it's linked to a single crime scheme, to avoid the genuine risk that defendants will be convicted for who they are, or for what they may or may not have done before. Prosecutors, in a brief filed late Monday, offered several legal justifications for the accuser's testimony, hoping at least one of them will stick. They said it's needed to show Cosby's pattern of behavior, to show the encounter wasn't a one-time mistake, and to show the complaint wasn't filed on a whim. It is unusual, to say the least, that defendant has been repeatedly accused of engaging in sexual conduct with unconscious or otherwise incapacitated young women without any consequences, the Montgomery County District Attorney's Office wrote in their response to Cosby's appeal. Cosby, 83, will mark 2 years in prison this month and has another year to go before he can seek parole. However, he has vowed to serve the full 10-year maximum rather than show remorse for what he calls a consensual 2004 encounter with Andrea Constan, a former professional basketball player who worked for his alma mater, Temple University, in Philadelphia.
I'm also praying for you, Bill Cosby. And I want to, just say to him, kudos, for standing up for yourself, as far as if you know deep in your heart that you didn't do anything wrong, you're not going to accept probation to say that you're guilty of something that you have not done. You're willing to sit your whole 10 years, for something you didn't do. That's why I pray for you, because you're standing your truth. And I pray that things go well with his appeal. And also, I hope this changed some laws here on how they are doing things to prosecute people using old situations for new testimony, for new testimony for some allegation that has nothing to do with them. I think that should be changed as well. But my prayers go out to you, my brother, and all of those who are facing the same situation you are. Free Bill Cosby, free Robert Sylvester Kelly, and all of those who are victim to females that's out there for a money grab. That's my opinion. That's it. That's all. Y'all have a great Tuesday.